Let's take a look at reporting, where everything you've entered in Xero starts to come together. To show you reporting with some real data, I'm going to switch back to the demo company. One quick note before we open any reports: Xero can only report on what you've told it, so transactions that you haven't reconciled yet won't be included. If a report ever looks off or incomplete, check your reconciliation first. Now go to Reporting and choose All Reports. You'll see a large list of the reports here. There are lots of options, but don't let that overwhelm you, because you'll only use a handful of these regularly. You can star any one of these reports to add it to your favorites, and those will appear at the top of the reporting menu so that you can get back to them in just one click. Let's open up the balance sheet. This report gives you a snapshot of your business finances at any point in time, what you own and what you owe. I'll also use this report to show you how to customize your reports. Up here, you can change the date range using these presets. You can enter a custom date or select one from the list. You can also add a comparison period, which is useful for seeing how your numbers have changed month to month, quarter to quarter, or year over year. I'll choose quarter and 3/4. Click Update to apply your changes. You can also filter the report by clicking Filter here. Choose a filter, apply it, and then click Update. You'll see that the data changes, and the filter will be reflected in the report header. To clear the filter, just click the X, and then update the report once more. Whenever you need to share a report, you can export it with a PDF, Excel, or Google Sheets format. And once you have the report set up exactly how you like it, click the drop-down under Save As, and select Custom. Give the report a name, and then click Save. If you go back to Reporting and All Reports, you'll now find it under the Custom tab anytime that you need it. That way, you'll never have to make those adjustments more than once. If you haven't signed up yet, and you're now ready to get started, remember that you can use the special link in the description to get 90% off of your first 6 months using Xero. If you want to learn more, I have a detailed tutorial that covers a few things we didn't have time for today. Watch that next, or find it in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.